people can now block the xAI's Grok chatbot from making changes to their uploaded images on X. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Neither of both Elon Musk-owned businesses, X or xAI, have made a public announcement about this feature yet, but users have noticed it on the iOS app within the image video upload menu over the past few days. Maybe this is a response to Grok's latest scandal, which began when its image generating tools were used to create 3 million sexualized or nudified images. An estimated 23,000 of the images were made in that 11-day period that contained sexualized images of children, for which Grok is now facing 2 separate investigations by regulators in Europe. The positive side of the recent feature addition is that X and xAI have taken a step towards limiting inappropriate uses of Grok, as this block is a simple toggle which isn't buried in the UI, so that's nice. However, the negative side is that this token gesture doesn't amount to any serious improvement to how Grok works or can be used. It's great that the chatbot won't change uploaded files, but the block only limits tagging Grok in a reply to create an image edit. There are plenty of workarounds for dedicated individuals who persist to use generative AI to undress people without their consent or knowledge. Hopefully, xAI has more powerful protective tools in the works. If this additional and narrow use is all the company can offer, then the claims of being a zero-tolerance space for non-consensual nudity won't help, especially since xAI can stop allowing image generation at all until the issue is properly and thoroughly fixed. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.